Okay, so you've just uncrated your new Venom motorcycle. It doesn't matter which one it is, x22R, x22, the x20, this is the x21RS. They're all the same. It's going to be the same. So you're going to turn your key on. Your dash is going to light up. They're not all dashes look the same, so nobody panic. What you're going to do then is you're going to go onto your starter and you're going to try to start it. Everybody does the same thing. That's fine. First, you want to choke it. Oh, sorry, hit the horn. First, you want to choke it. Then you're going to go on your starter. It might not fire. Don't panic. I want you to crank the throttle till it's at the end. Then go on the starter, and it'll fire right up. But you're going to let off your gas, and it's gonna fire, and it's gonna run. It might not idle like this. This bike is already warm. Obviously, we've been working with it and using it, so it's already warmed up. But if yours is going to do the same. The issue is everybody thinks it should idle instantly. Well, it's not going to idle instantly because the bike is not broke in yet. Before you guys get your bikes, it's never run before. It's never had gas through it. Oil is never revolved down in the crank. Nothing's happened to this engine before. So when you guys crank it, you guys are the first ones to ever crank your new motorcycle. So it's going to take 100 to 200 miles for your bike to be totally broken. Next, I'm going to show you on every bike, sometimes the transmissions are a little stiff. That's not an issue. So if you're in first gear for your first, couple of miles, this bike here has 45 miles on it. It's not a big issue, but it's not quite broken either. So it's a little bit difficult sometimes with your foot to find neutral. So that's not a big deal. Kick down to first, reach down with your fingers and just pull up. Your fingers have a better chance of finding neutral for the first few times because you have a better feel. You can just click up lightly and then your green light on this bike will come up neutral. Every bike has a different dashboard and every bike has a different neutral, but you'll see on your bike where the neutral is. And like I said, as you drive it more, as you shift the gears more, you'll find that it starts idling better. You'll find that it starts running better. You're getting a little bit more speed out of it. It's just you're wearing in your engine. So that's our video. Hope everybody had a great day. Like and subscribe.